we're at karaoke in the Red Frog Pub.
Cheers! Here we are. We're having a wonderful time at the Red Frog Pub, and we got karaoke tonight. We met some wonderful people, and we're having a great time with them. Say hello to our new friends, and hey, say hello. Hi. We're having a great time. She's about to go up and sing, and we're gonna see what happens. I'm being loud. I get shook all the time. So, listen, Colby's teaching me, I've never tied a double Windsor. I taught Colby and Cameron and Ethan how to tie and tie. They, you know, when they had proms that came around, they said, Dad, how do I tie a tie? And I showed them the best way that I knew how, which was a Windsor knot. And they've learned, and they learned how to tie a tie, and they were able to get through what they were, you know, prom and all that. But since then they've learned a double Windsor, and I've never learned that myself. So Colby is tying a double Windsor knot for his dad. Isn't that amazing how beautiful that is? That's what it's all about, folks. So my kids are teaching me how to do something, and I think that's what it's all about.
That's cool.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna see how it goes.
See, the fat knot looks good sometimes.
Yeah.
But when I was younger, it was about the Windsor, and it wasn't, the fat knot was not cool or popular, so I never learned it.
It's not still, but it still looks like a really good knot.
Yeah, look at you. So turn around, Colby, let me see you.
So my tie's a wee bit longer than these.
Yeah.
Alright, you can see it.
Well, this is much smaller.
But Colby had a black tie on, and then Cameron told him he looked like a waiter.
He still does.
So he changed. Aw, look at my boys. Look at y'all. I'm gonna go take a picture out of this cabin, but look at y'all, look so good together. Yes, the round makes us easier to talk to everybody.
Look,
Nice.
table.
Oh, look at everybody. Okay, are y'all all doing a lobster sickle?
Yeah, we're sinking this lobster.
Yeah, I haven't got my lobster yet, but
I even got a lobster this time. Okay, lobster sickles.
Thank you.
Are you rocking the lobster sickle too?
It's easy to eat. We're American. Alright, we're not delicate.
Now look, he's doing the lobster sickle. I know he always does.
They're all doing the lobster sickle.
Oh, all of them.
So everybody got lobster except two. You got, what'd you get? The pork chop. And Colby got prime. You got prime rib? Yeah, Colby got prime rib. And we know Jason's got a prime rib coming too. How's the lobster?
It's not bad.
You got a mouthful of lobster? Okay, so I don't normally eat lobster because I have not liked it in the past, but I'm gonna be brave and try. Okay, so I haven't had a lobster and I can't tell you how. So let's see, get rid of the carcass. Here's the piece of lobster meat. Alright. I'm not gonna eat a lobster sickle. I'm gonna cut it into a piece. Okay, let's see if I like this.
Yeah. Give me a plate. Give me a plate.
Good, eh? That's fat. That's fat. That's fat.
She does not like
Who
it.
wants my lobster?
You don't want.
I'll take it.
I do.
I don't like lobster.
Oh, I do.
That's nasty.
I'm not the biggest fan either, but I only eat it because it's just an experience.
Okay, y'all gotta give me points for trying it again.
She hates lobster.
That was disgusting.
It's not that good. I feel like the white's better than the real lobster.
Oh, I love
Now I gotta find something else to eat. Max is eating the rest of my lobster. Oh!
I need the rest of this.
Okay. That's okay, we're gonna make it all work. It will get eaten.
Dax will eat it. You like lobster, Bart? You love it, don't you? Yeah. You need some?
Jason's happy now. Jason's got his prime rib, a whole ton of horseradish with the au jus. Yep, he's a happy man.
Cheese.
8 days.
Okay, enjoy it.
So you can tell how you feel full. No, you feel a little kid.
Here is the desserts menu. I am getting creme brulee.
Came out 2018.
There's a list of after dinner drinks
Do you really have another band?
and coffee and tea. But the creme brulee is the most delicious thing in the world to me.
I gotta say this.
What time is it? Showtime.
Kindest and
My
biggest
hair is
heart in
terrible.
school.
Yeah,
We're wondering how they're going to do showtime on this ship because they don't have those big stand things they would normally dance on. So, This is gonna be different. Look at the lights, Shays. It's showtime.
This guy, look, your son now?
Showtime.
He's like
Ultra.
Okay, Jax just had a profound revelation. Okay, look at Jason and look at the colors in his mirror and the colors he's wearing. So Jax said he looks like a Michelob Ultra.
cheers to me.
You are what you drink.
I am what I drink. Especially on the cruise ship.
Cameron's first time.
Because it says things that are
Okay, give it a taste.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, it's showtime. Your hair. I can't. I don't have one.
Oh, double cream. You got double cream of legs.
This is like vanilla cream pudding.
All right, so Elisa has got her creme brulee.
You gotta watch me crack it.
So we're gonna crack it. Here we go.
Go.
Ready?
Disgusting.
Crack.
Ooh.
Disgusting.
Oh my goodness.
Look how good.
Oh
It
yeah.
looks so good. You make it look so good.
Oh, just smell it. Oh, gross. You gotta smell it. That's amazing.
Listen, if it's bad, I would never know. Because that just looks so good.
I would tell you if it was bad. That's amazing.
Yeah.
I didn't have dinner. I had one bite of lobster. This
Yeah.
is my dinner. Cheers.
Cheers.
Not really on the words. Clap your hands. Hey! And you know it, clap your hands.
Hey, hey!
If you're happy and you know it, then your life will surely shine. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
Hey!
Wow, if you are clapping for that, you are going to love this show, people. There is lights and everything. You don't have to leave, sir. You don't know. Please actually leave. Yeah, leave. That was terrible. Leave. Guys, enjoy the show.